I'm not that good on camera. I just know how to do this really cool trick that I'm gonna show you right now. By the way, my name is Dan Henry, and I made $30 million with my online business, and now I make videos about what I learned along the way. So let's hop in. All right, so this is really simple. What you do is you record your video, and every time you say something, you just really focus on one sentence, and then you pause, and if you didn't like how you say it again, and then you move on to the next sentence. And what you can do is, you can take a sheet of paper like this over here, and you can literally just lay it down at your feet, and you can read one sentence and then look up to the camera, read another sentence, look up to the camera, read another sentence, look up to the camera, and then that way you don't even have to memorize. I mean, you can just look at a sentence, say it, look at a sentence, say it. That's what I do for all my scripts for my videos. So now, if you look in here, you'll see a waveform in Adobe Premiere or whatever video editing software that you use. So here's what you're going to do. You're gonna play this, and this is what it'll sound like raw.
How would you like to get access to every single course I have ever created, including the high ticket ones like...
Now see, I messed up.
How would you like to get access to every course I have ever created, including the high ticket ones like Digital Millionaire Coaching, for a nano fraction of the price?
Okay, so I said it twice, the second one was better, right? And now if you notice, there's a gap. There's a little gap right here, okay, right there, and there's gaps all along this that indicate to me that I paused. And so all I have to do is zoom in here, and I know to gap this, so watch this.
For a nano fraction of the price.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clip the beginning of this right here. So I'm gonna clip that, boop. So this, because this one sucked. I'm gonna clip the end, and I'm gonna clip the beginning of the next clip. And then I'm simply going to delete and butt these together. And I delete this one because I don't need it. And now,
how would you like to get access to every course I have ever created, including the high ticket ones like Digital Millionaire Coaching, for a nano fraction of the price? Now I know I said...
Okay, now right there was way too much of a pause. You'll notice that in most of my videos, I'm extremely like butted up against each other. See, and there it is. There's the space. We don't want that space because that will cause people to lose attention. We want to take it right there, and we literally want to make no space. And when we do this and we butt it up together, it causes people to pay attention because they don't have time to get distracted because there's never a dull moment. So listen.
Coaching for a nano fraction of the price. Now I know I said that
Now there you go. Now it's tight. Honestly, I would make it even tighter. So I would come in here and see, it could be even tighter. I would tighten it up like this and like that. And if you do this for all your sales videos, your YouTube videos, etc., you will hold attention much more. You will hold attention much more. So now let's take a look.
How would you like to get access to every course I have ever created, including the high ticket ones like Digital Millionaire Coaching, for a nano fraction of the price? Now I know I said that I retired.
Now see how it butt right up against each other? And you can do it again, like right here. You just go through your video like this, and you just find all the gaps. And then all you do is you clip them out. You get real tight. So I'm gonna get real tight there, and I'm gonna get real tight here. I'm just gonna delete this, boom, and I'm gonna do it over. And now you'll notice, without me even watching it,
me the money for DMC, I had to wire it back. 10 G's I had to wire back. And I tell everybody the same thing. I say, I'm releasing this information.
See, and now it just keeps going. And so as you can see, it literally just goes butt to butt to butt to butt to butt. And it sounds like you're a professional speaker. It sounds like you know what you're talking about. It sounds like you did the whole thing, bop, 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 bop. And that's how I do it. I literally take a piece of paper, I lay it down in front of me, I look down at one sentence, I look up, I go, blah, 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 blah. I look down, pause, blah, 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 blah. Didn't like that take, pause, blah, 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 blah. Look down, up, blah, 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 blah. And then I just clip out the bad takes and I clip out the spaces and I make it super, super tight. And when I put it up, the retention I get on videos, the retention I get on my video sales letters for any sort of sales page, that I have where I'm selling something online. It's just a lot easier to pay attention. And even in this video right now, I'm kind of talking off the top of my head, there's no script, but I am pausing, and when I put it in the editor, I am going to clip it. Clip it. Clip it good. So that's it. So if you guys want to sound absolutely amazing on camera, if you want people to pay attention longer, and if you want your videos to just be better, all you have to do is the gap method. Just shut up, keep talking, close the gaps, and your videos will sound a lot better. If you like videos like this, I'm gonna keep making them. So subscribe. See you in the next one.